Hi guys, so I want to show you how I'm making a ribeye steak with potatoes. It's very simple, fast. So I have here these kind of sliced red potatoes. So these are the small red potatoes. I got about 4 here. Okay, I don't want to make it too thin because we don't want it to dry up, and then it's not gonna be good. Like it's gonna be it might dry up, it might burn because the meat takes longer to get ready. So I washed. Okay, so before I show you the meat, let me just first start with all of my seasonings. So I'm gonna do some kosher salt. Okay, sprinkle some of that. Okay, again, the kosher salt is to your taste. Okay, so a lot of it is falling down inside the pan. I have a pan like this here that I lined. You can see it's not really high. Now I'm going to take some ground black pepper, again, just a little bit here. Okay, so now I have New England garlic pepper seasoned rub. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle it here on the potatoes. Okay, just try to get most of the potatoes covered with this because I want the bottom of the ribeye steak to also have the flavor. So then I have these meat wash that I talked about. I'm going to put it right on top. So the meat is going to give the potatoes all the flavor, and whatever's on top of the potatoes will give the meat flavor. Okay. Then, so since we have on the bottom of the meat, we're not putting any seasoning. We're going to just do it on top of this. So I'm going to take the garlic rub again. Okay. Pepper seasoning rub. Sprinkle it on. Okay. It doesn't come out as well, so that's why I'm putting, it looks like I'm putting a lot, but it's not really that much actually. Some of the pepper for the meat that we didn't. Okay. They are thick pieces, so I don't want to add too little. Okay, I don't want it to be not salted and not enough pepper. Just rub it in a little bit, the pepper, so it's not on one of the side only. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some kosher salt again. I'm gonna just throw it on here a little bit more. Okay, then I'm gonna take some water. I'll tell you exactly how much I have here in a sec. 1/3 cup of water. Okay, I'm just gonna put on the side of the pan here. So what's gonna happen is that we're gonna cover it and put it in the oven. So we don't want the potatoes to dry out and want some evaporation and the meat to be soft inside. Okay, so we're gonna cover it. I'm gonna put it in for 400 degrees for about like an hour. Okay, if you like your meat less than that, you can do that, but I like mine's well done. Want everything to be super soft, so about 1 hour. So you can get away with 45 minutes, but you have to see what you like. So between 45 minutes and 1 hour and 400 degrees, covered with foil. And this is the kind of pan, like I said before. So the water is not gonna spill over, and there's enough, and the juices that are gonna spill down, it will be still enough space in the pan for that. So thank you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.